Tonight we have come to the largest market in Phuket. It is the Weekend Night Market. The locals call it the Naka Market, and as the name would suggest, it is open on Saturdays and Sundays after 4 p.m. It is full of food, it is full of things to buy. What we want to do today is test what this one is like compared to tomorrow's night's Sunday walking market and see which one's better.
Split 50-50 between like shops selling clothes, souvenirs, all of that sort of stuff, and then the other half is what we've come here for, is the food. I've already seen some dim sims I want to try. I'm hoping there's spring rolls, there's bugs that maybe we'll try later if we're feeling brave, and smoothies, mango sticky rice, all that sort of stuff. So I'm so excited, I'm so happy we've come here. I don't know how this can be beat. Tomorrow's got a lot to live up to.
First thing you notice when you come to the market is the sheer variety of things and different things that we can eat. It is a long night ahead of us, so I figure we'll start with some just potato twists and go from there. I got the spicy. No spice yet, but I'm ready for it. Emily got the salt, which is a wuss. It's tasty.
They asked if we wanted spicy sauce. I said only a little bit because I don't do very well with spice, and then they topped it with what I think is fried onions. It's definitely pork. It's almost exactly how you would expect it to taste. But that's not spicy sauce, it's like a sweet chili, so you're gonna love it.
Ooh.
Chicken and veggie spring rolls. They look super crispy. She had them frying in oil. It looks so hot. They're still kind of warm. Tastes like a really good spring roll. Take a store-bought spring roll and times it by 100.
Yeah, maybe more. I thought this sauce might be too chilly for you.
No, it's pretty good. I feel like I was a Nando's mild. I feel like I'm starting to rise through the ranks.
She was only just a Nando's mild. She was lemon and herb for years.
Peri peri chips make me sweat. Accidentally eating that chili changed my
One chili in Patong.
One chili in Patong.
Saturday night markets, Phuket night markets Hut B. Tomorrow night we got the Sunday walking markets.
The food was incredible. We even ended up trying bugs and I literally still have legs in my mouth. I can feel them every time I move my tongue.
Yeah.
But we got mango sticky rice, so we're going to walk home and eat this. It's the coconut milk, I think. I love it. It's like the perfect dessert because it's not like overly sweet. It's still fruit, so you feel like you're being healthy, and rice fills you up. It's a win-win-win.